Solving the cleaning business catch-22. How do you grow and scale your cleaning business without sacrificing your income? That is a great question. I'm Angela Brown, and this is Ask a House Cleaner. This is a show where you get to ask a house cleaning question, and I get to help you find an answer. I know. If you go over to askahousecleaner.com, there's a blue button right there in the corner, and if you click on that button, you can send your message to me here at the show. Now, somebody called in and they asked this question.
Hi, Angela. I hope you can help my husband and I with our Catch-22 situation. We currently own and operate a small turnover cleaning business, and we service about 10 clients. We want to scale by contracting out another cleaning company for part of the work. And even though this is going to free up some time, it's also going to cut into our income because we need to pay out half of what we make. It seems as though we'd have to double our clients in order to compensate for that loss. So the question is it worth it to do it this way? We can't figure out how to grow without taking a cut in income first. Because if we source the clients before we hire the help, we won't be able to service the clients alone. So we're kind of in this catch-22 situation. I hope you can help.
All right, this is a really interesting question, and I'm glad you asked. But I do want to warn you in advance that every single step of your business journey, there will be hiccups. There will be growing pains. There will be resourceful stretchiness areas where you got to be as resourceful as you can be. This is one of those. I wish there was a one-size-fits-all, and there's not, but let's get as close as we can, okay? The Airbnb industry, which you called it turnover service, awesome. Turnover means, for those of you that are new to the concept, it's an Airbnb, and guests come in and they spend the night. When the guests leave, there's a cleaning company that comes in and they turn over the property and they get it ready for the new guests coming in. So that is the turnover service for the Airbnb industry. So in order to grow your business based on Airbnb clients, there's a little glitch. Here's the little glitch. You might have 10 Airbnbs that you serve, but if people don't stay at all 10 of those Airbnbs tonight, you're not going to have 10 jobs tomorrow, right? There may be Airbnbs that don't get any business for a week or two. So how do you get employees and then guarantee them jobs, and then you don't have the business from the Airbnb, right? Even if they've agreed that you're going to be the cleaning company, they may not have you come in if the place is clean and no one stayed, right? So that's the little glitch. How do you do that? My suggestion would be, in order to grow and scale your business, your first focus should be on creating contacts and alliances with other cleaning companies in the area who can be independent contractors. That would be the easiest source of business. The reason I say that is this. With employees, you have all different kinds of expenses, from workman's comp to insurance to vehicles to uniforms to cleaning supplies and all that stuff. And if you can't guarantee them the work, you're going to be up a creek without a paddle, as they say. But this allows you, if you use independent contractors, they're using their own vehicles and their own insurance and their own uniforms and their own cleaning supplies and their own training. So all you're doing is you're creating a mass calendar, and we use Google Calendar for this exact reason. With Google Calendar, you can add a cleaning company or a person's email to the calendar, and it allows them access to that calendar. So you can add all of your B&B jobs on a calendar that is available to your independent contractors. And as your independent contractors are available, they can add or put their names on that slot. They can say, I'm available for this job. And so they can sign up for different jobs, and you're not guaranteeing them anything. So what happens is, if the job comes through and someone spends the night at the B&B and they leave the next day and now you need a cleaner, you can jump in and you can say, hey, look, there are 4 people that are available to clean this place. And you can either send 1 or 2 of them on the job, and you can give them the business. And then if they don't work out, or they take a last minute job, or they picked up some extra service business of their own, they fall off the calendar and they take themselves off, right? They remove themselves from that time slot. So that way, when you're calling someone saying, hey, look, we have a job, you're contacting only available people. That way, the B&B is not left stranded. You're not left stranded. And this is a seamless process. But the situation is going to be that you have to create alliances with those other cleaning companies first. Then you go ahead and you pick up the Airbnb slots and you say, here's what we're doing. All right, and that is what I would recommend as you grow and scale your cleaning business. Outsource what you can so that you can minimize your risk as you put all the pieces together, so you and your husband don't lose your existing income while you're scaling your business. All right, if you found that helpful, give us a thumbs up. If you got questions or comments, those go in the notes below. And if you're really interested in knowing all there is to know about the Airbnb industry and cleaning, I've left a playlist right up here. Check that out next, and until we meet again, leave the world a cleaner place than when you found it.